Think about how you normally use an AI. You type a question, it thinks for a moment, then gives you an answer. One single shot. There's no follow-up, no checking its work, no real action. Just input, black box, output. It's a one-and-done model, and for simple questions, that works fine. But what happens when the task is complex, when you need more than just a prediction? An agent completely changes this model. Instead of a single pass, the LLM becomes a reasoning engine, running inside a loop. It doesn't just answer once. It keeps going. It looks at the task, thinks about what step to take next, takes that step, looks at the result, and then decides what to do from there. Round and round until the job is done. The LLM is still the brain, but now it's driving the process, not just generating text. But a brain needs hands. That's where tools come in. The LLM can search the web for real-time information. It can run code to analyze data or manipulate files. It can call a calculator for precise math, no more hallucinated numbers. Each tool is a capability the agent can use on demand. The LLM decides which tool fits the current step, calls it, and gets back structured results it can reason about. This is what makes an agent powerful. It doesn't just guess, it acts. Let's watch one full cycle. A task arrives. What's 15% of 340? The LLM receives this and reasons about it. It knows this is a math problem. Guessing would be unreliable, so it decides to use the calculator tool. It sends the expression, the tool computes, and the result comes back, 51. The LLM now has a verified answer. One cycle complete. If the task had more steps, the agent would keep going, integrating this result and deciding what to do next. This loop defines the agent pattern. First, understand what the task needs. Second, choose the right tool for the job. Third, execute, call the tool and get a result. Fourth, integrate that result back into the context. Then repeat, decide whether the task is done or needs another step. Each cycle builds on the last. The agent drives itself forward, step by step, never guessing the whole answer at once. The agent drives itself forward, one action at a time, until the task is complete. It doesn't guess. It doesn't stop after one answer. It thinks, acts, checks, and repeats. That's what makes it an agent, not just a model that responds, but a system that pursues a goal. It's a fundamental shift from prediction to action, and it's how AI is moving beyond chat and into the real world.